Hi, this is Priyanka Neha and I'm from Eagle Media Network. So I have a sad news regarding a person named Sitaram Yechuri. He was born on 12th August 1952. He was died on yesterday, 12th September 2024. He was really a great person and a Marxist politician, and he was a general secretary of the Communist Party of India. Sitaram Yechuri was a member of Politburo of CPI and he was a member of parliament. And he was a member from Rajya Sabha of West Bengal from 2005 to 2017. So coming to his earlier career, Sitaram Yechuri was born on 12th August 1952. His father name is Sitaram Yechuri Sarveshwara Somayajula Yechuri, and he was from Telugu family in Madras. And his mother name is Kalpakam Yechuri, natives of Kakinada. While his father was an engineer from APSRTC and his mother was a government officer. Yechuri grew up in Hyderabad and studied at All Saints High School, Hyderabad till his 10th standard. The Telangana agitation of 1969 brought him to Delhi. He joined Presidents of Estate School, New Delhi, achieved the All India first rank in the Central Board of Secondary Education, highest secondary examination. Subsequently, he studied at BA in Economics at St. Stephen's College in Delhi and MA in Economics from Jawaharlal Nehru University. He joined the JNU for PhD in Economics, which was aborted with his arrest during the emergency. So this was his earlier career. So next we are moving on to political career. Hi, we were talking about Sitaram Yechuri. Now coming to his political career, Yechuri joined the Students Federation of India in 1974. A year later, he joined the Communist Party of India. It was a Marxist party. Yechuri was arrested in 1975 during the emergency while he was a student at JNU. He went underground for some time, organizing resistance to the emergency before his arrest. After the emergency, he was elected as the student president of JNU students. It was during 1977 to 78. It was union thrice during 1 year. Yechuri, along with Prakash Karat, he was instrumental in creating an impurgeable leftist base at JNU. In 1978, Yechuri was elected as All India Joint Secretary of SFI and went on to become the All India President of SFI. He was the first president of SFI who was not from Kerala or Bengal. In 1984, he was elected to the Central Committee of the CPI. In 1985, the party constitution was modified and a five-man central secretariat consisting of younger stalwarts, him, Prakash Karat, Sunil Moitra, and P. Ramachandran under S. Ramachandran Pillai. To work under the direction and control of the Politburo, he left the SFI in 1986. He was then elected to the Politburo of 14th Congress in 1992 and was the fifth General Secretary of CPI at the party's 21st Party Congress in Vishakhapatnam on December-April 2015. He and Politburo members S. Ramchandra Pillai were the fourth runners for the post, but the former was unanimously chosen after Pillai chose to withdraw. He succeeded Prakash Karat, who had held the post for three consecutive terms from 2005 to 2015. He was again re-elected as General Secretary of CPI at the 22nd Party Congress held at Hyderabad. During 18th April 2018 to 22nd April 2008, Yechuri was considered to uphold the coalition building legacy of former General Secretary Harkishan Singh Suchi. He worked with P. Chidambaram to draft the Common Minimum Program for the United Front government in 1996 and had actively pursued the coalition building process during the formation of United Progressive Alliance government in 2004. He has been playing a pivotal role in building a secular democratic pro-people government since the beginning of his political career. He has always fought for the fundamental rights of the people and believes in unity in diversity. He has always raised his voice against violence. Yechuri has headed the party's international department, and the party used to depute him as fraternal delegate to the party conferences of most socialist countries. A prolific writer, He has authored many books and writes the fortnightly column Left Hand Drive for Hindustan Times, a widely circulated daily. He has edited Party's fortnightly newspaper, People's Democracy, for the past 20 years. Please do subscribe our channel and support us. Wait for upcoming updates. Thank you. Your Priyanka Neha with E News, Eagle Media Network.